It's really easy to install an APK file on Android, but Google has a newer style of file format for Android apps, and they're generally referred to as Split APKs. They are technically just zip files that are being used, so they contain the actual APK file that you want to install, and they also contain the app data in the form of an OBB file. Google launched this new file format for Android apps because it helps to reduce the file sizes for them when they are compressed. But it's also caused an issue where the file just isn't as easy to install as a simple APK file. So let me show you what's required to install an XAPK file on Android. XAPK files seem to be popular on the APK Pure website, which is an alternative app store for Android when the user wants to avoid the Google Play Store as much as possible. But these can also be found on other Android community forums as well. Because remember, these XAPK files are basically just a compressed file format, like a zip file, and that contains the APK and the OBB files for what we want to install. I'll be using this version of Infinity Player as my example here today, which I have previously downloaded to my smartphone. But we're going to need a third-party application to install these XAPK files. And the one that I always recommend is called SIA, also known as Split APK Installer. There is a free copy of this application in the Google Play Store, which I'll have a link to in the video description below for those who may want a quicker way of finding it. But the project is also available on GitHub, so I'll have that linked down below as well. Once we have installed this, let's go ahead and launch it. And we're going to tap on the blue Select Files button down here. It's going to let us use the System File Picker. So then you'll want to use the file browser to find the XAPK file that you downloaded and then tap it to select it. We're going to be keeping all of our defaults selected, but say, for example, you wanted a different language file, you could set that up from here. When you're ready, tap on the blue Install button. You'll be asked if you want to install this app, and then after a short wait, you'll either be told the application has been installed successfully or you ran into an issue and you need to fix that. But that's all there is to it. We can close out this app and you'll see that newly installed application is right there. And that's all there is to it. You have now sideloaded an XAPK file on Android. And I bet it wasn't as difficult as you first thought it would be. If you still have some questions though, please do not hesitate to use the comment section down below. I've just got to ask that you give this video a like so that YouTube knows to share it with more people. And if you could, please link to this video on your favorite social media website, as that really helps this channel to grow.